Maybe catch it from behind.
Hey. Look, he's shining a light on him.
It is on him.
Look, he's climbing out.
He's
Tigri.
trying.
Tigri.
You funny creature.
I think he can come out.
Can you come out, little buddy? Is that a cat door for you? Oh, the coal's in the window.
Come on, buddy, you can do it.
I think he can't. I think it's too small for him.
He's got one of his paws out.
Yeah, but I don't think his shoulders fit. Coal scratching on the glass.
Come on, buddy, you can make it out.
He stopped. You want me to go on the inside and pull him back in?
No, he can get out.
He can, yeah, he can back it back in. I don't think he can come any further out.
He just wants to be with y'all and
He
y'all
just,
here.
hey, you guys. Well, he wants his supper is what he wants.
Oh.
He's like, I want my supper.
Are you videoing?
Yep.
Mittens, is that you? Yes, that's the Mittens.
You got him?
Come here.
Oh, Tigri, can you get out? Okay, you're back in. Back in.